1,100 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2.5 baths. Welcome to Tenants Apartments. I've got a nice little bite-sized opportunity today. Phoenix Apartments is a 355-unit subdivision in an HOA with lots of different owners, duplexes, quadruplexes, sixplexes, eightplexes, and this offering is for 12 units, which is 2 6-unit buildings. Now all 12 units are the same floor plan, big old 2 bedroom, 2.5 baths. The average in-place rent is $800 a month, but the last several units have rented for $900 a month. And here's the thing, they're unremodeled. The remodeled units on the rent comps are easily going for over $1,000 a month. And location, don't even get me started. Wait a minute, do get me started. It's in the center of town. You got Butler Plaza, 2 million square feet, 3-minute drive. Celebration Pointe, another 1 million square feet. Shands Hospital, right down the road. The Veterans Administration headquarters. The jobs just keep going and going and going. This is the location to own. These are the units to own. Let's go. Now we get to take a look at one of the inside of the units. All right. Oh, red doors, red suit. You can't even see me. I'm like camouflage, can you see me? All right, now we're inside. All the living room area, stairwells, and bedrooms are all carpeted. And check out this amazing bay window area. All right, here we go, continuing on. We're gonna show the half bath downstairs, which is super convenient. So in the bathrooms, the kitchen are all linoleum flooring. Some of the entries have tile flooring. You've got water heater and furnace, pantry right here. All units come with washer dryer hookups. Tenants bring their own washer and dryers. Kitchens have very similar cabinetry and countertops throughout. For the most part, it's all white appliances throughout. And right above the fridge, we have some upper cabinets as well. Now we're gonna go take a look at the outside patio area and a little storage unit. Plenty of space. All right, now keep your eyes up, keep your eyes up. Now we're in the guest bedroom. Pretty good size. Gonna take a look at the guest bathroom. All of the cabinetry and countertops are pretty much the same. Linoleum floors, tiled. Over here is the guest closet. Not bad. I can put my whole wingspan across there. Now let's go take a look at the master bedroom. We've got cool his and hers closets. Boom and boom. And each of them are even bigger and longer than the guest closet. Bathroom is very comparable to the guest bathroom. I'm gonna give my best property tour ever today. Same linoleum flooring, countertops, cabinetry, tiled bath. Because I'm good enough, I'm smart enough, and dadgummit, people like me. But look at the size of this bedroom. What? This is awesome. All right, and that's the tour of the inside. Now let's do the summary. All right, and we're at the Publix bus stop, which is right at the entrance to Phoenix Apartments, which is really convenient. Now we're gonna do the breakdown. Here's the deal. We got 12 units. All of them are 2-bedroom, 2.5 baths, 1,100 square feet each. Average rent in place is $800 a month, with the last several done at $900. But I told you before, lots of room for well over $1,000 a month once you start improving the unit some. Now, here's the thing. The owner, the seller, built these in 1980s. You're buying a one-owner property, and they have a phenomenal management company. The records are impeccable. The units have been well maintained. This is an asset you're gonna be able to own forever and ever. I've got a drop box full of everything you need, including all of the leases. This is a very, very well-kept property inside and out. You're gonna be picking up a gem that's gonna have a nice cash flow long time. Oh, and of course, the rate of return, you're gonna love this. Bring me an offer. Let's go!